Hey buddy, welcome to Visit.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I'm your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, if star be an operator such that A star B equals AB plus A plus B multiplied by A minus B, then we have to find the value of 5 star 6. So it has been given that A star B, where star is an operator, equals AB plus A plus B multiplied by A minus B. So 5 star 6 will be equals 5 multiplied by 6. So if we compare A star B with 5 star 6, then A will be equals 5 and B will be equals 6. So 5 multiplied by 6 plus 5 plus 6 multiplied by 5 minus 6. Okay. So 5 operator 6 will be equal 6 multiplied by 5 is 30 plus 6 plus 5 is 11, and 11 multiplied by minus of 1 will be minus of 11. So 5 operator 6 will be equals 30 minus 11. So ultimately 5 operator 6 will be equals 19. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option D will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.